can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Harmony. Over the last 1 week, Harmony is down 28%. Over the last 1 month, Harmony is still down 77%. Altcoin market is taking a beating. Altcoins are dumping aggressively to gobbling town. But guys, I don't think that's the end of the altcoin season. I believe there's one final pump to the moon. I believe there's one final pump before the end of the year. I'll see altcoin shooting. We'll look at Harmony's performance against the US dollar, Harmony's performance against Bitcoin and Ethereum. And finally, we'll look at Harmony's market cap, which right now sits around the $341 million level. Can we get to as high as $1 billion before the end of 2024? Can we get to the $1 billion level before we start 2025? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. If you're new to this channel, you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Harmony currently trades around the $0.027 level with a market cap of $397 million, a fully diluted market cap of $400 million. Harmony's all-time high happened on the 26th of October 2021, traded for as high as $0.37. Right now, Harmony is down 91% from that all-time highs. If you want to get some Harmony tokens for yourself, you want to buy or sell your tokens, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on OKX, on BitGet, on KuCoin, on HTX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. The altcoin market has been dumping over the last 1 week. That's normal in the altcoin market. This is one of the most volatile markets in the world. You should be ready for huge price swings to the upside and to the downside. The altcoin market is very volatile. Yes, you can get those 10x, you can get those 20x, you can get those 50x in the altcoin market when things are going right, but then we can easily see huge dumps to gobbling town. Over the last few weeks, we've seen Harmony go from the $0.049 level, dumping to as low as the $0.026 level. Harmony has lost over 40% of its value over the last 2 weeks. But guys, we've been consolidating below the $0.039 level over the last 2 years, and we believe Harmony is going to have one final pump to the moon, but you don't want to get carried away, you don't want to get overly optimistic. There's no guarantees in the altcoin market. Now, the final phase of the bull market is always the most interesting. The final phase of the bull market is where market participants go all in. It's when they believe in the pump. It's where they believe, you know what, this time is different. We're going to continue pumping. They had seen Harmony already rally up from the $0.0079 level to as high as the $0.047 region. So the next time we pump, you're going to see a lot of FOMO. You're going to see a lot of impulsive behaviors. I personally believe Harmony will attempt to rally to us the $0.1 level. Maybe you can get to the $0.17 region, but a 200% pump will not be something crazy. A 200% pump is something that is possible for Harmony in the next few days. But guys, a 200% pump being possible doesn't mean that that's what you should be looking out for. You should remember the altcoin market is very volatile. Big pumps in the right direction can get a lot of market participants very greedy. Big pumps in the right direction can get a lot of market participants forgetting their plans. You want to have a plan your trade, and trade your plan. That's the name of the game. If you don't have a plan in this game, guys, you are going to get wrecked. If you don't have a plan, you're going to be exit liquidity. Over the next few weeks, expect to see Harmony pumping against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Expect to see Harmony outperforming two of them, as a lot of market participants that made huge gains in Bitcoin, huge gains in Ethereum, expect them to flip those gains back into the altcoin market, and that will help Harmony. You can easily say 100 to 200% pump for Harmony in the coming days and coming weeks. Guys, that final pump that is coming, don't get too greedy, don't get too fearful. The final pump that is coming is an exit pump. You are supposed to take some profit off the table. You don't want to be like other market participants that think this time is different, we're going to the moon, it's going to be like 2021, it's going to be like 2017. If the market gives you a 1x, a 2x, take it off the table. You want to look at sentiments in the cryptocurrency market when you're making your decision. You don't want to be looking at your portfolio. The market doesn't care where your portfolio is. The market doesn't care if you have reached your own financial goals or not. The market is going to do what it's going to do. And we've been pumping over the last 2 years. Bitcoin has gotten to new all-time highs of $108,000. I will not be shocked if the bull run is coming to an end, and the final phases of the bull run is when we always see alt season, is when we always see altcoin month, and we're lucky in 2024 to have seen both altcoin season and altcoin month. If you don't know what an altcoin season is, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, that's an alt season. If those altcoins do better than Bitcoin over a 30-day period, that's an altcoin month. We've seen an altcoin month and an altcoin season in 2024, and the next step for us would be a dump to Goblin Town. But these altcoins are going to give us one final pump to the moon. The altcoin market have started dumping, so it's either the top is already in or we have that one final pump. I tend to believe that one final pump is around the corner. I don't want to believe the top is in already. Maybe that's just how bullish I am. But guys, don't get hyper bullish thinking 2025 is sure. You don't want to get complacent. Everybody will be telling you, or market participants will be telling you, don't worry, 2025 is going to be bullish. We're going to pump. Donald Trump is good for your bags. All those are just lies. All those are what market participants want to believe. We saw this in 2021. Market participants were hyper bullish, expecting 2022 to be very awesome. What happened? A huge dump to Goblin Town ensue, and that's what I foresee in 2025. A huge dump to Goblin Town will be around the corner. We can see Harmony maybe attempt to get to that $2 billion level, but that will require Harmony right now pumping by more than 400%. And a 400% pump is very, very possible in the altcoin market. But remember, a 400% pump will be something to write home about, and that will be a chance to sell for some sweet profit. Even if Harmony just gets to the $1 billion region, that will be around 150% move from where we're currently trading. I'm sure a lot of smart market participants will be selling for some sweet profit if they see a 100% move from where we're currently trading. If you look at sentiments in the cryptocurrency market, there have been extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market over the last 1 month, with Bitcoin trading above the $100,000 level. But right now, we're seeing a little normalcy return back to the cryptocurrency market as sentiment is going back to greed and maybe it's going back to neutral or fear. Market participants are very, very fearful when the prices start dumping. When the prices start dumping, fear quickly returns back to the cryptocurrency market. The same way, when the prices start pumping, greed quickly returns back to the cryptocurrency market. The market is a delicate balance between extreme fear and extreme greed. Your number one job is to take advantage of those balance. Your number one job is to take advantage of those period of extreme fear. You want to buy it when there's extreme fear in the market, and you want to sell when extreme greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. So drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Where do you see Harmony going in the coming days and coming weeks? I'm a strong believer in that one final pump before the end of the year. I'm a strong believer that one final pump will get a lot of market participants wrecked. You will get the bears wrecked. A lot of people are shorting the market right now thinking they are smart because they missed the run to the upside. Guys, the last thing you want to avoid is leverage. You don't want to be shorting altcoins. Altcoins are very volatile, and altcoin can easily pump by 200% in 24 hours. I've seen that happen. A lot of market participants have gotten liquidated in that kind of pumps. So you want to avoid leverage. You want to plan your trade and trade your plan. Have a plan for that one final pump, because one thing is sure, the market always ends with a bang, and you want to be ready when the bangs come. Take advantage of it, because when the dump to couple it down comes, a lot of market participants will be left holding the bag, just like in 2022, where they saw their portfolio dump by more than 90% in a 30-day period. A lot of bad things can happen in the future. You want to take advantage of what is happening right now, which is good, which is a pump to the moon. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still buying more Harmony right now? Do you believe a new all-time high is possible and I'm hyper bearish? Are you selling for some sweet profit? Are you getting ready for your exit plan? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.